let us now have a look at some of the examples I have written on the board to appreciate the need for nomenclature. I have written two structures here, one here and one on this side. The blue numbers on the top refer to the carbon atom numbers. So I have chosen to number this as 1, the next carbon atom in the chain as 2, 3, and 4. This has a molecular formula which can be obtained by counting the carbon atoms and the hydrogen atoms, which works out to C4H8. There is another structure of the same molecular formula which is shown here. The numbering again, the carbon atom is numbered as can be seen. On adding the carbon and hydrogens, the molecular formula again works to C4H8. A mere inspection of these two formulae will be clear to an observer that these are two different structures. There is a double bond between the first and the second carbon in this example, and a double bond between the second and the third carbon atom in this one. They both have the identical molecular formulae but different structural formulae. So the need for a naming system is very apparent. This one is called 1-butadiene and the other one is referred to as 2-butadiene. The 1 and 2 referring to the carbon atom numbers in that chain. One more example is shown. Here we have a set of 3 compounds, all having the same molecular formula C5H12, all obtained in the same manner as above by adding the carbon and the hydrogens present in that particular molecule. This one is called as pentane. That one is 2-methylbutane, and the third one is 2,2-dimethylpropane. Details of this naming will of course follow in the subsequent lectures, but at this point it is sufficient to know and understand that naming an organic compound correctly is the first and the most important step in the study of this branch.